song, The Heart of the Matter. It's about forgiveness. Yes, I understand. Alright, Sparty. How we doing, Sparty? What is that? He sees the horse. We're going to the park, but it's Papa John's Park, and it's the pizza place. Let's see what he does with the horse again. This was pretty funny. That's my dad, Papa John. Sparty, what's that? What's it? What is it? What is it?